What is up, D&J fam? We are back in Dinsmore.
We have been feeling a lot of positive, negative vibes from this area. We decided to come back and explore some brand new houses that we haven't touched yet. We've only seemed to scratch our surface. Let's get into this.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Alright.
I'm going right.
Alright guys, so we don't know anything about this house, how the floors are, any of that. Jay's gonna take that way because it looked like a kind of roundabout house. So
Exactly. We have no idea about this house. It's a little unsteady this direction. So I'm gonna give you a view. It looks like a bedroom. Alright, so this house was built in the late 1800s. It was back when the railroad company was starting to pop up and all the houses started to go up as fast. They didn't care how fast they were built. So we got a hornet's nest up there. Or just a normal nest. Bird. Feather right there.
Birdie.
Alrighty, let's take a look. All those coats just left behind. As soon as the railroad company went down, they just up and dipped. Didn't take much of their stuff with. Alrighty. Looks like a bathroom. It is a bathroom. Alrighty. Just imagine how this used to look back when it was still in prime condition. I don't think I got done with the pale pink look though.
So I'm gonna pop in here. What looks like the kitchen. Oh yeah. Little pantry space in here, guys. Check that out. Some old school stuff in here. Scooby-Doo, what? Old toys on the ground, guys. Wow, oh. We gotta really watch these floors, man. I hear him. Oh, there he is. There's Jay. Alright, guys, let's check some of this stuff out. I've actually seen a few furnaces like this in, or heaters, stove heaters in use. I can't remember the actual name of them. What we got over here? Oh, check that out, guys. It's an old school exercise bike. That's awesome. Alright, let's pop in here. Check out that carpet. How'd you like that in your house? Wow. They've left a lot of stuff. Little owl light switch. All in all, this place is still in really good condition for how old this town is. Try not to break anything here, guys. Just a little closet space with some old toys, so this must have been the little girl's bedroom. Oh, man. Yeah, guys, we found a bunch of places out here. We were looking at the Google Maps on it, and I guess there was like 3-4 hidden houses, so we wanted to come out, kind of show you guys that. It's really cool to see. Check out that stove. What? That's an awesome little gas stove. Oh, cupboards are empty. Like, that's an old little pool table. I didn't notice that at first. What the hell? Check that out, guys. It's freaking cool. It's like a miniature kids pool table.
I took the sink. Damn. There's D over there.
Check that out, guys. Freaking cool.
I'm gonna try to come back this way. Might not be able to go through. Oh crap. Alright. Look, a little street light. Dulls. Oof. Might be a little hard to navigate into that area. There's kind of falling floors. Actually, look at that. The journal right here. This came out in 1978. What the hell? Hey, D.
What up, man?
We might have got some wrong information on this house.
Oh?
There's a journal in there that's 1978.
1978.
Yep.
Here.
Birdie.
Got a little birdie in there?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Well,
Flying around.
check this out, bro. So, he's looking in here. Check out that freaking board game cover in there.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-freaking-Doo.
Like zoinks. Raggy.
And then I'm guessing that
The
room
Rooter.
over there was one of the kids' room or something with all the stuff that's in it. But there's an old school exercise bike. It's freaking tiny.
Oh, D.
What up?
In that back room there are two dolls. They're completely face down and stripped. Oh wow! Let's take a look at this, guys. It's old school. Oh wow!
Oh, what the? This is insane. Little bag hangers. Huh. Is this floor even okay to walk on? Holy crap, guys. Oh. Ah, baby dolls. Gotcha. Wow, it's like an old little entrance mudroom type thing. Yeah, as you can tell, it's falling, but if you guys look through that doorway, there's another building on the other side. Huh. Okay.
Guess this house isn't as old as we were thinking it is. But look at that. That was me. Did you find that magazine?
Magazine? No.
It's actually right here.
Found the dolls.
So look in here. Here's the journal. Right there. 1978.
Yeah, it's even got a cigarette logo on the back for
Winston's.
Yeah.
So, I think we were... Oh, crap. Boy, about just fell in.
Yeah, bro, did you see? There's a building on the other side over there, too.
Well, I guess we're going to have to walk our happy butts over that direction.
Yeah.
I'm not going to film much more. So I need to in here.
Alright, guys, so
So I
I'm
guess
going to
I'll
cut
catch
mine
you soon.
there. And we're going to have to see you guys when we hit the other building. Alright, guys, so we went through that house and we went to the back to check it out, but unfortunately there ain't nothing we can do about that place. So, but yeah, we're out here on the road. We're trying to find one of these other houses out here and check out the merch, guys. We finally got some going for you.
To me,
If
bro.
you guys want to check it out, we got a link down in the description, so go ahead and check that out, guys. But we are currently trying to figure out what is whose property, because there's some silos over that way, so we know that's private property out that way. But we're gonna take a quick walk around, guys, see if we could find some of these other houses are hidden out here. We'll see when we get there.
Welcome back, D&J. This morning we have found ourselves a hidden house, and we are nicknaming this the Bird House. For one specific reason, we do see birds flying in and out of this room here, but there's also bird nests all around each room. So, without further ado, we're getting ready to get into this. So we'll see you then. Bye.
What is up, D&J fam? So we're at the birdhouse. Jay is going to take that section. We've seen a doorway that kind of goes around, might come back into this room.
And D is going to take the bird path.
Yes, there is a bunch of birds.
You can actually see it right on my screen.
Yeah, if you
Damien's-
guys can tell, there's a freaking moth just whee!
He's getting attacked by the moth.
I'm getting scrambled up by moth. They like the new merch.
Alright, look at the new merch.
Alright, guys. So, I'm going to head this way.
And I'm going to head this way.
Beautiful.
Straight up birdhouse. Wall to wall. Wow, this is the first room I've only seen one in. Alright. So we're taking our actual time walking through here, trying not to get, smacked. But yeah, there's a lot of shit. All over.
Oh, God. Yeah, guys. This is why it's the birdhouse. This entire house, wall to wall. I know we probably should be using our masks right now. But surprisingly, it does not smell as bad as you think it would in here. Even though there's crap all over the walls. Literally. Look at that chair. Alright. I'm trying to see. There's bird nests in that hole. 2 of them right there. One's just hanging on by that. Holy crap. Alright, alright. Wow. Jeez, they are everywhere. And if you want to take the right way into the kitchen, I'll take the left.
This ain't the right way to the kitchen, dude. This is the throne room. But there's like, yep. Yep, there's already enough poop everywhere. We don't need to see that.
Yeah, normally you have a kitchen like wrapped around going on that. No, this is just all in one tiny room.
Another nest.
Yep. And that's why it's the birdhouse, guys. Looks like we got a... Yep, that's the way we were gonna try and go in over there. Couldn't quite get to that one. But I want to see... It doesn't look like a basement here.
Hey, look, there's a door there and a door over there.
Okay, here we go. Here's my porch.
Take a step.
This is all concrete. Yeah, there's a doorway right here. The sad part is this porch is more musty than the rest of the house was.
It's not lying.
Alright, so this might actually have an external basement. Thinking about it.
Maybe.
Or at least a outside entrance anyway. That's what I was trying to think of. Huh. Yeah, guys. Wow. Covered.
Yeah, imagine now what this used to look like in its pristine condition.
Oh.
What?
Well, it's got an attic, but...
I did that, by the way.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, try to open it. Yeah, it definitely has an attic.
Tiny little entrance into the attic, guys. Oh, man. Whew. Well, at least there's a giant hole right here. Yeah, it just goes straight out there. Huh. This is wild. I've never seen a house set up like this.
Birdhouse?
Yeah, well, that too.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys. And let us know if you see or hear anything in the videos that we didn't catch. Because, yeah, we couldn't find a door, so me and Jay had to go through that freaking window. This is a tight fit. Huh. Oh, you hit that. Got me for a minute there, bro. I was like, did you, ooh. Is that my water? Oh. Who wants to take a chance at opening that door?
Yeah. That door's caca.
Very much so.
Well, I do have TP on me.
No. But yeah, guys, I don't know if this is all to this house or not, but yeah, it's still amazing the way this was set up, and probably how fast it was actually set up back then compared to what we do nowadays. But alright guys, we're going to see if we can either find a basement or a better way into the attic. So, we'll be back with you in just a bit, guys.
Alright guys, we were unable to find an entrance to a basement in the birdhouse. We looked around. What we found was a crawl space, and
yeah, that's pretty much all it was. It was just a massive crap show.
literally.
But yeah, guys, when it comes to filming or finding abandoned places, not everyone's gonna have all this amazing stuff. It's the fact of going out, journeying, just finding stuff and
enjoying our time looking at some of the stuff that was built a while back.
Yeah, because history, it all has a story somehow, some way. And that house obviously
Had a lot of history and a lot of dung.
Yeah, it was a good sized house, so somebody had a little bit of ka-ching living in there back in the day. But I can't say for sure if that house is from the 50s or what. It's hard telling just because it could have been built before then and converted. But that's part of the adventure, guys, figuring out what you can when you can.
Well, we do hope you enjoy this video, and we're going to get back to you when we reach back to the house we were just in before the birdhouse.
Alright guys.
See you then.
There.
Bye. Alright guys, we're getting ready to set up for one spirit box, see if we can grab anything out here. And this one's actually going to be a short one.
Yeah, we're only going to be doing about a 5-minute spirit box here,
from
guys.
now on, because they've been tending to be huge and they're a battery consumer.
Yeah, they really are. But
Alright,
if we start hitting the asylums, guys,
you're going to get longer
supporting
ones.
the channel, just share it out, guys. Like the video, share it out. That's supporting us more than you can imagine.
And it's liking is free. It doesn't cost you a thing.
Oh yeah.
Just a little bit of time. But we'll be right with you as soon as we start the spirit box.
Alright guys, we're here. Getting ready to start up the spirit box. It is 3:12 a.m. Hello, bird. Oh. Things are very active right now, guys.
Big party, we're trying to get some moths flying around.
Probably.
Alright, we are using this app again. It's going to be a 5-minute duration, as we stated before. And I'm going to try to give you more of a view of what we're looking around at while we're doing this. Alright. I'll start off. Is there anyone or anything in this house with us other than the birds?
Can you tell us a little bit about this house?
What's your story?
Why was this house abandoned? I've seen a lot of toys in this house. Was there a little girl that lived here? Or a little boy?
What are your names? Hi. What's your name?
Hi, Mia.
Do I see him? Where? Why are you still here?
Guard who? I guess we're just kind of walking through and checking because we heard a noise here in the kitchen. That was me.
Mia, what is your favorite toy? What was that?
So I think we're gonna head into the kids' room since somebody said Mia was speaking with us. Mia, was this your room?
Was purple your favorite color?
Alright, it seems you're done speaking with us.
We would like to thank you for talking with us, giving us a little bit of your story. You are not allowed to attach to our equipment or to me or Dee.
You are to remain here. And thank you for talking with us. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alright, guys, so
Our first EVP of the night, and will be the last one. We are not going to be overdoing that anymore. So we will review this and let you know what we found, and hopefully we can clean things up a bit.
alright, guys, so remember to like,
Remember to share,
sub,
hit the bell notification, check out our merch, and let your friends know about us.
Alright, guys, stay awesome. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Alright, fam, so we're back at the car. I know this video is probably going to be back and forth, jambalaya around, but
Yeah, well, some of the locations we tried to get into weren't really abandoned houses. They were like abandoned sheds, garages, stuff we couldn't even get into.
A lot of them were blocked off between fallen garage doors.
There's also like a lot of cave-ins in the floors. We couldn't really walk safely. Otherwise, would have.
There's one house in this town that we haven't really explored, but that's because we can't get into it.
And we're not about that breaking and entering.
Don't do that. That actually ruins the name of explorers and everything.
And we like to keep this 100% legit.
Yes.
We try to respect everything, respect the property of how it was when they left, just in case someone decides they want to come back and, you know, possibly see if they can fix it up. Because if we break something, and you never know.
No.
It could ruin their...
Stay respectful, guys. When you go to these locations, just stay very respectful, and I guarantee you're going to get a lot further with it when doing that. I know it's hard because locations are hard to find at times, but just know you'll find that gold gem somewhere. But alright, guys. We are going to head back home. About a 25-30 minute drive from here to get home. Go to bed. It is almost 4 in the morning. We just got off work before coming out here, so we're kind of tired as well. If you guys have any ideas of locations anywhere near the northeastern Kansas area, or northwestern Kansas area, sorry, let us know, guys.
We are always available to suggestions and always open for them.
Yes. But alright, guys, stay awesome,
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.